or 4 lights, and it just shut off. So I disinfected this phone. I can smell stuff. Yeah, you can smell it. It smells like Alright, Los Angeles Edge. I actually did a video, and I'm testing this new camera setup, and I was trying 2 microphones. I had a super echo. So this is going to be a super quick unboxing that I already unboxed a few seconds ago. This is in the process of disinfecting currently. I flipped it over. It's 12 minutes long to do it. It's a cell phone in there right now, and it's on the last cycle, kind of a spin cycle. I'm going to show you the directions. I actually did all the full unboxing on camera, but I don't know. Maybe I'll mute all the BS so you can't hear me, and do it fast forward so you can see me unboxing it like right now. And I'll come back to it, and you could see me explaining a little bit. So I got this at Home Depot for $5. It's on clearance, and I want to try it out. So, here it's done. It's got 5 or 4 lights, and it just shut off. So I disinfected this phone. I can smell stuff. Yeah, you can smell it. It smells like It smells like an ink, like a scanner or a copier when you like make copies. Yeah, that's what it smells like. So yeah, well, I'm gonna get into it. I got this at Ooh, that just it smells so it must be doing something. So anyway, so this is a UV zone phone sanitizer. I got it. Like I said, a Home Depot for $5 in clearance. Just seen it today at Walmart for $15 on clearance. So yeah, it must be doing something. My wife's giving me like this weird look, but that's the best I can describe. So it's a UV sanitizer. You get a box. You get the actual chamber, which is there. So, and it just shows you how, man, it does smell. Yeah. So you basically plug it in your cord in the back, like I did here. It comes with the USB cable, but you have to supply your own, uh, you know, your phone charger, normal phone charger. You have to supply your own. You do have to supply your own phone too. So yeah, so there's that. Basically, it's pretty simple. You open it up, put it in. Like I said, I'm gonna put like some uh, speed. So you put it in, you close it, and hit the on button. It'll light up saying, "All right, it's starting. This will blink." Then now to say solid, this one will start blinking for 6 minutes. Then you're supposed to take it, flip it over, and close it again. Hit the button again. Stay on blinking. That's go solid. Blinking. Now to go solid until 12 minutes up total. And that's supposed to disinfect, kill. What did you say you found out on there? The interweb about it does actually work. According to Wikipedia or something. The FDA. Well, it's doing something because when you open this up, you could smell. It could only inactivate a virus if the virus is directly exposed to the radiation. So I don't know what that means. Basically, therefore, the inactivation of viruses on surfaces may not be effective due to blocking of the UV radiation by soil, such as dust or other contaminants such as fluids. Oh. What are you reading over there? Anyways, yeah. So, of the UVC lamps sold for home use are low
exposure to a given surface area to potentially provide effective inactivation of a bacteria or virus.
Okay.
So that's really not doing anything.
Well, I don't know if it's not doing nothing, but it does smell.
Yeah, so you're just sucking in all that radiation.
Well, you don't know it's radiation.
That's what it stands for.
UV, what's ultraviolet, right?
Radiation.
I'll say radiation. I don't know. Anyways, but it was $5. I figured I'd do an unboxing. Like I said, my first video was echoing, so I kind of just popped this on to explain a little bit. So, anyways, all right. If you're still watching, this is kind of weird video. Like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. Bye.